everyone, marhaban, shakbarkum, zain, and zain, alhamdulillah. Guys, those are just greetings that I've learned in the past week. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. This is episode 1, week 9 of learning Arabic. Guys, my Arabic is going on very well so far. And as I mentioned in my last video, I'm still working on pronunciation, phrases, and for vocabularies here and there. So in this video, I'm going to update you what I've learned in the past week. So this is week 9 since I started my Arabic. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. All right. So let's get started in today's video. I'm super excited already. So as I mentioned in my last video, I bought this book here and it's been really helpful, guys. So it's really helpful. I've learned a lot of stuff on this book. This is Emirati Arabic. As I mentioned earlier as well, we have different dialects. So I'm focusing on Emirati Arabic, okay? So and this week, I've just learned how to ask questions, places, getting to know you, getting to know someone, like for example, I'm gonna just read the things that I've learned, like where are you from, what is your job, uh, what do you like to eat, what do you like to watch, are you married, do you have any children, do you play sports, how is life in Dubai, is life expensive in Dubai, are you happy in Dubai, those are the things that I've learned so far. Like for example, how is the weather, is it too hot, how was your day, did you go to the gym yesterday, did you watch the movie? Okay, so there's a lot of things that I've learned so far in the past week. So I'm going to start to pronounce them in Arabic and translate them in English. And let me know if I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so let's get started. So one of the phrases of this week is where, when. For example, when تشتغل, where do you work? Okay, when ساكن, where do you live? When الحين, where are you now? So for example, if someone is asking me, when الحين, where are you now? As you can see, أنا في الغرفة. أنا في الغرفة. I am in the room or in my room. أنا في الغرفة. I am in my room. Gorfi is my room. Gorfa is room. Okay. So I can say Ana fil gorfa. Ana fil gorfi. Okay. Ana fil gorfi. Another thing, when sakin. Ana sakin fi, for example, Ana sakin fi Burjuman. I live in Burjuman. Okay. When tishtagal. Ana ashtagal fi and the name a place. So Ana ashtagal fi. So the phrases about where, I think I'm really good at it now because at least I got a few things here and there. So any question about where, I think I can handle it very well so far. Okay. So another phrase of this week is shoe. Shoe is what? For example, I'll use the same examples as previous. Shoe tashtigal. What do you work? The other one was where do you work? This time round is what do you work? So shoe tashtigal. What do you work? Okay. And then shoe tashrab. Shoe tashrab. What are you drinking? If you're asking someone, what are you drinking? Okay. If you ask someone, let me try this one. Shoot a hip tackle. Shoot a hip tackle. What do you like to eat? Shoot a hip tackle. So basically, if you're asking someone a question, so this is what you can use. Shoe. So this is another phrase that I learned. So far, these are two. Wait and shoe. So yeah. My favorite this week is using shoe, like shusaweti fil weekend. What did you do over the weekend? As I mentioned earlier in my previous video, I learned about what we call slang, which is Arabizi. They mix English and Arabic, which is very sweet. You can listen like shusaweti fil weekend. Weekend is English and then the rest is Arabic. So kind of like making it simple for me. So what did you do over the weekend? And then another phrase of this week is cave, cave. Okay. For example, كيف الجو اليوم? كيف الجو اليوم? How is the weather today? I will say الجو حار. الجو حار. The weather is very hot. Yeah, it is very, very hot, guys, today in Dubai. Okay. كيف الجو اليوم? الجو حار وايد وايد حار. So basically, those are the few things that I learned this week. It's been really fun, and it can be tedious at times because I'm working and at the same time I'm learning this language. So I feel like the progress is really okay. Like it's very smooth. I don't want to stress myself. So some of the things that I'm going to read this book. Some things that maybe I've not mentioned there. Okay, like for example, كيف كان يومك? كيف كان يومك? How was your day? Okay, like صرت دوام أمس. دوام is work. Like صرت دوام أمس. Did you go to work yesterday? صرت دوام أمس. Okay, and then أشوفك بعدين. أشوفك بعدين. That is another one. I will see you later. أشوفك بعدين. If you want to say like in a group of people, you say أشوفكم بعدين or أشوفكم بعدين or أشوفكم بعدكم. I don't know if that is correct. I think بشوفكم بعدين. I will see you. That's a group of people later. And then there is a way you say in a female, I don't know how to say that honestly, but I'll work on that. Okay. So basically, that is it for today, guys. It was just a very short video, just an update of what I've learned. I've learned a lot, but I just wanted, to put out there to remind myself what I learned. Because, guys, when I'm recording a video, it's like I am doing practice and also like I'm revising, because reading just, like seeing and, remembering it's kind of like difficult, but sometimes when you talk like the way I'm talking now, it sticks in my mind. So yeah. So guys, let me know if I my pronunciation is okay. Let me know what you think about my Arabic so far. Okay, a lot are on the way. I hope this coming week I will be able to learn a lot of things. All right. So guys, thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next one.